Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you my favorite method to draw a curved line in Inkscape. So if you want to do it, I recommend you to turn on page grid. So I go to view and I select here page grid. After that I will zoom in my page. You can click here zoom tool, and I recommend you to zoom some this page because it will be really easier to draw a line. Okay, now I will check here pen tool. And here I select create a regular bezier path. Okay, so now we can start to draw. So I click here, then I press and hold Ctrl and I go down. For example, I click here. Now without Ctrl I click and hold left mouse button here. It will let us to create a rounded line. So for example, it will look like that. And now when you will finish this line, you can click here. Like you see, it is a really easy way to draw a perfect line. So for example, I'm going to click somewhere here and you can repeat the process. So I click and hold here and then I need to click here. Perfect line has been created here, but of course we have stroke settings turned on. So if you want to have exactly what we draw, you can go to Object, Fill and Stroke, and then on Stroke Style, I recommend you to type 0 and press enter. Of course you can always change the fill if you want, and if you want to see your path you can select here node tool. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to draw a curved line in Inkscape, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all, thank you for watching.